What's up, guys? Today's the day. So we came out here to do our chores, and well, we went down to our chicken coop where this one's trying to a chicken's trying to hatch eggs, and one's peeping. And peeping means when a baby chicken's trying to come out of the shell. Let's go see it, guys. Woo! Woo! Mama's been booed.
You probably shouldn't touch them.
They ain't this one that's peeping. It's another one.
Don't be mad at me.
Yes, this one's peeping. This is the one.
Oh, it does.
It's called pipping, and you'll notice the baby chick is starting to crack out of her egg.
Okay, well, you better put it back under Mama. You see Mama here. Come, Mama. All right, put it back under. Hey, are you eating our blackberries? You can't be eating our blackberries.
Oh no!
This is our broody turkey sandwich.
This Mama's nice. You gonna hatch some chicks too? Okay, ready? Yeah. See that?
I don't see it.
Yeah, I'm gonna zoom in.
She finally hatched.
Really healthy.
Mama's
Like his eyes ain't shut.